trying to install a looks like a module for Ansible called netapp, ontap, and the ontap volume. I want to manage volumes, and what I found was netapp is going through a transition. If you're on ontap, say 9.3, 9.2, 9.1, there's really no good interface except for the old SOAP interface that has been around since 2012 or so. I'm having a lot of trouble making that work. I'm not sure why, but I thought if Ansible went through all the work to make it easy to manage uh, netapp filers, then all the more good. So I'm just going to use this command here and install, because I just installed netapp. And I'm sorry, I installed Ansible in the last video. So I'm going to try and see if this will go in, and let's see what happens. So I'm just going to cut that command. Here I'm at root. I'm on macOS Catalina. I have Ansible in here, and I said which Ansible Galaxy, and it has it here already. It's already in the path. So let's put that command in there and see if it works. And so what happened here? Unknown error when attempting to install it. Cert verify. So yeah. There's probably a way to put it in without a cert. I could do a guess and say no cert. What'll that do? Well, that gives me the help on it. Nothing there. So I don't see a way to turn off certs in this thing. Maybe there is a way. It's never easy. Something which should be easy is not easy. There's a force. Help. Ignore certs. Well, okay. I almost said that right, didn't I? Ignore certs. Ignore errors. Let's try ignore certs, right? I put in no certs. I was close, right? Weird. Maybe I go like this, right? Let's take that out of there. Put that at the end and see if that makes a difference. I doubt it, but who knows? Okay, so we know that if we do this, it won't work. It wants certs. Bum, 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 bum. What can you see here? Cert verify failed. The local issuer. So there could also be, okay, there's probably a dependency in Python that I got to put in this thing, I'm guessing. This is probably not going to work either. So what do we got to put in here? Okay, we know there was some kind of problem like this, right? We know that won't work. Install, blah, 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 trusted host org. No, that's down the wrong path. Well, this is no fun. Okay, yeah, they're saying use Python 3. We did that. Looks like a few years ago people were having trouble with this. And I didn't use pip3, but I never have had to use that. Don't want to use brew. I didn't use a virtual environment, so I'm not so sure that matters. Here's Galaxy. Ignore certs, we used that. Not so fun. There's our ignore certs. Well, getting nowhere here. If we're trying to do this, it might be tough. I'll try and post an answer when I have it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.